Yeah, that makes more sense. Some like heavy practice problems.
And that in there, and then you divide it all of that.
Okay. Well, which numbers do you use? How do you know?
Such a great day. Let's go to chemistry now. Wonder what we'll do today. You're gonna fall if you don't watch out. Morning.
Good morning. Taking notes. When a chemist produces a new molecule, one crucial property for making a positive identification is the molecule's mass. There are many ways, but one of the fastest and most accurate methods involves mass spectrometry. This method requires
What are we talking about? You're taking notes. Oh, okay.
of the substance being
You need to start
put
paying
into a
attention
gas
or you're
phase
gonna
and ionized. Of the that resulting
about how to
ion
different
exhibit
grams,
that is
moles,
accelerated
moles,
through a magnetic
Shh,
field
do that again.
can be used to obtain a very precise value of its mass. One Miss Davidson, can you repeat that, please? The deflection of that the resulting ion exhibits is that it accelerates through a magnetic field that can be used to obtain a very precise value of its mass. One drawback of this method is that it is difficult to use with large molecules because they are difficult to vaporize. That is, substances that contain large molecules typically have very high boiling points, and that these molecules are often damaged when they are vaporized at such high temperatures. Oh, good job. Your formulas are in purple. That's perfect. That way you can always pinpoint which one's the formula. And your definitions are blue. And what else?
What's in pink?
Pink are important notes, right?
Oh, looks like I wish I took notes like that. It makes it really easy to understand and go back and look at it.
Turn in your homework in the basket.
I turned it in with a minute to spare.
Before we start our lab, you need to know the equipment. What is this?
Graduated cylinder.
A
A funnel! I know that one. Flask. A flask? Yes. That's a flask. It's a weird name, like.
I think it's an Erlenmeyer flask.
An Erlenmeyer flask?
Yes.
Okay.
Beaker.
Yeah. A scale, duh.
What are these?
Test tubes.
What do you put on before every lab?
Safety goggles.
What's inside of here?
Distilled water.
Where does it come from?
The distilled water machine.
Over there.
What is this?
A hot plate.
What is this?
Stirring rod.
I agree. But it
A pipette.
you can't.
Watch glass.
Watch glass.
Yeah, I agree. But you can't just get there.
That's a striker thing. Whoa.
You have to go from there and just
Start a fire with that thing. Tongs.
Hot hands.
What are hot hands used for?
Hot things.
To pick up hot beakers.
And what are these?
Clamps.
And ring the stand.
Butterfly. I don't know what that one is. What is this?
A button.
How do you start it?
You have to put it on that little thingy
Connect it to the gas.
and then turn it.
Okay, lab notebooks are due. Turn them in the basket.
Do we need our conclusion in it this time?
Yes.
Can we turn it in tomorrow?
The point's off.
All right. Did you finish your conclusion?
Yeah. Let me,
Could you help me on the last part?
yeah, see, here it is.
Okay, let me see.
Here's the objective and the pre-lab questions.
Okay, I have the objective and the pre-labs.
Then the procedure, it was 2 parts. So
Yeah, I have
math, calculations, post-lab at the bottom.
I don't have the post-lab. What else?
Then the data analysis calculation at the end, and then the conclusion.
Okay, I just need to do the post-lab.
What year? Watch this, you can hold it there. Yeah. Yeah, I just took right on the I touched it right there.
I can hear like that.
Yeah. Except for the heat, put on the jacket.
What would you do?
There's stuff on it.
Can we cool it down? It might break. Well, let's not.
I really don't.
Over there.
Come on, Ashley.
Still warm.
Was she vented over there? Did she put her hand close to where she heated it up? Oh, okay. So it's not. Girl, yours is drooping.
Well, yeah, I did the same thing. I was like, oh, what is this talking about so hard?
So you don't think I should start from the bottom and make the B first?
Yeah, make the V first.
The bottom B, right?
Oh, you want to bend it up this way?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, then start the top. You do the big bend first. And then slow down.
You're so close.
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah. Now put your thumb on either side.
I'm showing me the video. So I have to...
Yeah, there we go. Very good.
I like a star.
You're strong. Very good. Yeah, you're gonna go down this. This is good.
Did you do it?
Do you think we can make more of this one? Not like that one? To the side and bigger. What color?
Free. It's so hot.
Oh.
First attempt, second attempt.
I didn't really do anything well except positive attitude. Yep.
What I did good in this class was that I turned in my homework on time and I did it all. So,
Well, what I did good in this class was I made a special effort to learn from the assignment so I could eliminate time studying. I also asked a lot of questions. Like if I didn't understand something, I always went up to Miss Stevenson and Mr. Reed, and I asked them a lot of questions. A lot of times I had to bring Mr. Reed to my desk and ask him lots of questions and step by step and have him write out stuff for me.
For this class, I always did my homework and I study a lot, especially right before the exam and the weekend before. I put a lot of hours in and watch videos. I think videos are very helpful, and taking practice exams is very helpful. And I feel like I passed the exam, so hopefully I did. Good attendance is also good. I try to be here every day. And in any class, I have a strong work ethic, and I think that that's a good thing to have.
I was good about studying, and I did a lot of helpful things like flashcards and whatnot.
What I thought was most successful about AP Chemistry was getting an idea of all the topics, and I understood chemistry is very broad, but in this class we touched most of everything. We didn't go into detail with every topic, but we did get an understanding of most of it. And we only have a year in this class, but during the whole year you learn a whole lot in this class.
So things I did well, I completed all my assignments on time, and I tried to complete them accurately even if they were hard. And it was hard to do this, but practice problems were the best way to prepare for this class, so completing my homework assignments allowed me to be more successful, and I didn't have to study as much for the test. And when I was confused, I would ask Miss Stevenson or Mr. Reed, and they were always there to help, even though sometimes their answers were a little confusing. And I also came to class every day, which was important because sometimes we had labs and that would be hard to make up.
So why did I take this class? Well, I liked honors chemistry a lot. It was the hardest science class I'd ever taken, but I liked the concept of something I couldn't see that was real.
I took this class because I want to go in the medical field, and I need this in college. And so I thought it'd be good background knowledge and experience. Even though I may not do well in the exam and I may not pass the exam, I can still get experience, so I'll do better in the class. And also it's an AP class, so it'll boost my GPA.
I took this class because, well, to begin with, I took it because I wanted to have the AP credit for college. But it turned out to be that by the end of this class, I realized that I took it because I really liked the subject of chemistry. Honors chemistry was the easiest class I ever took. And I figured since I like that so much, why not take AP chemistry? It'd be pretty easy too. But quickly you find out that it's not all that easy. It's a lot harder than it seems, but as long as you do your work and keep up with what you're supposed to do, it doesn't have to be hard at all.
I took this class because in college I want to major in chemistry, and I feel like this would be a good start to see what the college level would be like, and also I want to go into the medical field.
I took this class because I liked honors chemistry and I wanted to take an AP class, to be honest.
I took this class because I do want to eventually go in the medical field. I thought it wasn't going to be as hard as it was, and my drive to work was not what it was supposed to be.
So I took this class because I wanted the college credits so that I could save money for college later. And I also don't plan to major in chemistry or any other science field, so I want to take science courses now and get the credit so that I don't have to take it in college. And I also want to be a well-rounded student because I like to learn a lot of different things about a lot of different subjects.
I would advise you to pay attention in class and do your homework. Make sure you do your homework. That's it.
The advice I offer to be successful is to remain optimistic. Believe that you can do it. Don't give up. And if you don't understand something, try to understand something else to make up for what you don't understand. And just really take these assignments seriously because you can learn a lot from them and not even realize that you're learning.
Advice for the future: make sure to complete all your assignments on time and try to be as accurate as possible because that's the best way to understand the material. And take the time to read out of the topic book or the textbook because in-class instruction isn't always that in-depth, so you need to learn the more in-depth stuff on your own. And try not to get frustrated even though it's a really hard class, and try to have a positive attitude. And find a group of friends that will keep you motivated and that you can have a study group with because working with other people is one of the reasons I got through this class.
My advice to incoming students to AP Chemistry is to know your vocabulary because vocabulary is key.
And my words of advice are to come in with a good attitude and a positive attitude every day, to pay attention in class so you know what to do in labs, and to study and start studying for the exam way before May because you need time for it to soak in. And studying, the best tools are watching videos and doing practice problems and coming in and asking questions or having a study group.
The advice I would give to future students is to take this class seriously and to treat it like a college class because that's what it is, and you're not going to get guidance with everything that you do in this class.
Advice, I would say just turn in stuff. That's all you gotta do.
Future students to do is look at what you want to do in the future before you take it. And then if you do take it, actually try. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, well, this class, I didn't really put forth my best effort. Like, I didn't really study a lot, and I turned in all my work, but I didn't really try. So, I'm telling you, you need to study because you will fail the tests. Like, I did that a few times. But if you do your other work and get grades on them, you should, let me tell you, you should do good. But you need to turn in all your work on time and complete it. Okay? Look me in the eye. Okay? All your work on time and complete it. You will thank me later.
Can you stop? It's being stupid. And I have to turn the thing over. I forgot what I was going to say. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Stop recording.
Oh my gosh, did you see what Jessie was wearing at prom? It was so ridiculous.
Why is there
Oh my
no
gosh,
service
look
in the
at
library?
Like, you see how we're hanging out? No, you should say
Wait, how do y'all get on Instagram?
Okay, what I thought was most sorry, bro. Let me write down the question because I need to know the question.
Amadon? Here. Burris?
Here.
Burris?
Here.
Dotson? Here.
Here.
Dalton?
Are you ready now?
Can you hear me now?
Are we there yet?
We might have to video it more than once.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, one I can hold.
Can you just answer the question, please?
Can you ask me a question?
You have to look and answer one of them. Look on the paper.
I'm looking at this orb. It's like a perfect sphere.
I don't want to be near this. The other end. Turn it around. Yes. Now squeeze.
Whoa. What? Yeah. Why did I take this class? Wow. Is this the right setting for this? Yes. Is he being kind
You
of?
feel it now, Mr. Kratz. I can't hear you.
Go, Noah.
Aye, Captain.
Oh, who lives in Pineapple Under the Sea?
Can you just answer the questions, please?
Robert and Yellow and Chorus is you.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
In college is like the eliminator class. That call. When I started the class, I didn't realize this at the time, but after I started the class and got
Nothing.
Moving on. What did you do poorly?
Everything.
You're gonna not be a very long segment, huh? What this isn't a question.
What benefit from this class?
What benefit? None.
What did this class benefit?
Nothing. This class would have done the exact same without me here. I'm useless.
Why did you take this class?
Did you benefit from this class and how?
Did I benefit? Of course I benefited.
How so?
I don't know.
Can you answer with real questions or answers so I can put this in the video?
Are those real questions?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done with you.